Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone sound settings. First of all, for example, if your microphone doesn't give a very soundy result, then you must go and change this setting. First, go to sound, and you can see this recording bar. Go there, and the thing simple shows the enabled microphone device in your PC or Mac or something. So just click on that. Click on properties. As you can see, levels, just increase the levels above 50 and you'll get a good result. Okay, I think this video has been a very useful video to you. Subscribe for more updates. Leave a like, comment below.